Speed is important. Maybe not the speed though. I mean, the speed is important too, but yeah, you know what I mean.
You're not really fun, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
But seriously, time management in graphic design is crucial. Especially if you're working for an agency where you have a lot of clients who are absolutely yeah. And they kindly ask you just 5 minutes before leaving your job, hey, can you do me one more for today? Well, in today's challenge, we are going to see can we or can we not please our sweet and dear clients. Assuming he is an old client, we already have the materials ready to start. We are just going to combine them and hope we achieve this beautiful request. We have our cute artboard here and we have this program I got on Google somewhere. So with this one, I'm just going to press start and we're going to get right into it now. I'm going to show you real quick all the images I have gathered. So here we have our product, our background, and some other elements we're going to put on it. So in 1, 2, 3, I'm going to start and let's see what we can do in 5 minutes. So let's get started. I'm going to start by putting the elements here. Here we go. One is gone. Let's put this one here too. So I don't want to bore you guys with this is just the boring part. So in 1, 2, 3, I'm just going to show you directly the good part. So 1, 2, 3. So 2 minutes have already gone by and I only put the elements together. Now this seems very undoable. I'm just gonna go real quick, add some highlights here. But yeah, I don't think we can do much here, but we are going to try. Let's get our shadow down first. Now this one is called ambience shadow, just making the product look more realistic. Here 3, here 2. Just gonna add some shadows here. And yeah, but in all seriousness, you have a lot of clients who do this. Like ask, like right before you leave, they ask for something. And if the company is not yours, you're of course going to sit there and do it. Here we go. This one is kind of done. I'm going to put this here. Let's go linear burn. Something like there. Now this one looks fine. Here we go. Put some light here. Here too. There's not honestly much you can do in 5 minutes. So we are already near the 4-minute one and we are not even close. So I'm just gonna go motion here. Here too. Let's go like this. Now for these two, I'm just gonna add some highlights real quick. Let's go like here. Here too. Some shadows. And small ones, maybe. Here. Go with this one too. Here, I'm just gonna add some light here too. Shadow. Let's go. Like a nice way to do some shadows, for example, for these objects. It's kind of good to use circles and just blur them out and fade them out. Let's go like this. Let's swap. Here. Two. Here we go. And yeah, we are near the 5-minute one, and honestly, I don't see this one working because we have a lot of stuff to do. Let's go here. Get a bit of blur. I'm gonna give all of this a blur. And yeah, I think this is the 5-minute one. And as you can see, for this type of design, it's kind of hard to do it in 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna quickly just press this button and start the real tutorial. Now, this is not what initially I will do, but since we are here, I'm just gonna try to continue this one. And yeah, let's add some more highlights here. Here we go. These two. Here we go. Here too. I honestly love playing with highlights and shadows. Here we go like this. Maybe like here too. Just so you can see that light really popping out. Here we go. This one though, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one moment, because usually rename when you group them, because you are going to have really trouble finding them later. Yeah, this one's cool. Now I'm going to get see if I have it. I'm just going to go and grab some shadows here on Google, like some window shadows to put here. We are going to go to the original I found in Google. What I'm going to do is just put this one here below. Go to multiply. Yeah, let's go to multiply. Because we kind of made the highlight come from this side, we are just quickly gonna go flip horizontal and let's make it big. Here we go. Let's add some mask here. And let's go down. Now, if you only want to this part without the text, without that material, we are going to go to levels and just bring these up. Here we go. Here we go. Let's put the opacity down. This much, it's fine. Now for our product, I'm going to group them real quick. Rename it product. Here we go. Now what we can do here is I'm going to make a copy of this. Here we go, like this. Here we go. And we're gonna just go a little bit blur. Here too, I'm gonna do the same. And this one, maybe we make it up. Let's go here. Let's make this one a little bit smaller. Maybe bring it here. This. And this much, honestly, seems to be fine. Now, in order to really separate these products, let's name it behind. Let's go here. Here we go, just like this. Now what I'm going to do here is, let me lock these first. Here we go, add some more, maybe this red light. I'm gonna go here, just slowly, just a little bit. We're gonna go here. Here, you know. Let's blur it a bit. Like this. Here we go. We're gonna put here. Let's make the bottom part a bit dark too. This. And we're just gonna go right into the text. Just gonna put it a bit below. Here. Here. Here we go. And this one too. Okay. Now I'm just going to start by doing the text. What I'm going to write is professional course. Professional. Can put this one under this, just for this cool effect. And we're gonna go maybe change the font a bit. Let's go with our good old font. Take this color. Okay, this bright thing. I think because it's group, I'm just gonna remove it out of group. Yep. Here we go. I'm gonna go a bit more red. And just under this, we are going to add another shape. Here we go. Let's use the same color. I think we have it here. Yeah. Here we go. I'm gonna write professional. Let's go cherry filling. Make it white. Cherry filling. Here we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and bring them maybe under here. Here we go. Now this one is a bit too alike, not seeable. So I'm just gonna get this group, go somewhere here, and just put down the path just like this. Now, after minor tweaks, we have come up with this one. Now, after doing your design, always finish it by using Camera Raw. Now, I'm going to do a Camera Raw tutorial maybe another time. Today, we are just going to go over the basics. And in Camera Raw, you are completely free to mess with the design however you want. So, real quick, I'm just going to move with these and show you the final result. Now, after tweaking for a while, we have come up with this. And so, as you can see, for 5 minutes it's quite literally kind of impossible to do it. So, with a little bit of more time, you can create something like this. If you want to see more of this content, write down a comment below and see you next time.